The third set operation we're going to look at is known as set difference. And what set difference enables us to do is bring back unique items from either set A or set B. And in Venn diagram form, this would pertain to just the left segment, i.e. excluding the middle segment or the right segment, or we could also find those items which are in the right segment, excluding those which are in the middle segment or the left segment. Now the set difference operation is performed using the minus operator, and the same can be achieved by using the difference method. So let's see some examples. So if we wanted to see the items in A that are not included in the items of B, we could put A minus B, and this will bring back the integers 1, 2, and 3. This is because 4 and 5 are also included in set B, and because we're looking at the difference, it's only integers 1, 2, and 3 that are unique to A. If we wanted to find what was unique to B, we could put B minus A, and then we bring back the integers 6, 7, and 8, because 6, 7, and 8 are unique to B. 4 and 5 are shared with A. Now we can also perform the same operation using the difference method. So if we put the variable A and then put dot difference and we pass in set B into parentheses, we get the result 1, 2, and 3, just as if we had written A minus B. And if we wanted to see what was unique in B, we could also access the difference method on B, so we could put B dot difference, and inside the parentheses we can put A. When we do this, we bring back 6, 7, and 8, which we know could be stored in a separate variable and then used later in our code. So the difference operation will enable us to find the unique values in each set compared to another.